Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube video where we delve into the world of background removal services on Fiverr, the go-to online marketplace for connecting businesses with skilled designers who can seamlessly remove background from your images. And to get started with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head on over to background removal Fiverr, and choose the first link. And there is here the homepage or the interface of the website like you see with me here. And for the persons that this is the first time here about Fiverr, is a popular online marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with talented freelancers offering a wide range of services. So here you'll find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need, and also the search bar, notification, inbox, and your lists, and also the orders. And here you will find your accounts. I showed you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find how to do that. So here we have a profile, post a request, refer a friend like you see, or if you want to become a seller, not just a buyer. And also the setting, that means the password, photo of the profile, username, and also the billing and the payment information. And if you want to change the language or the currency, if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center from here or to log out. So this is the results about the background removal. We have 35,048 services available. It's very big number. You can minimize it by this servers here about the filter. You have by service option with these options here about the purpose. The e-commerce it's become 22,968 results, social media, brand websites, marketing. And also you can filter them by service includes or seller details. You have seller level, top rated seller, new seller, and always the new seller is have more cheap gigs than the top rated seller, and also these two levels. And the language that the seller speak or the localization of the seller. And for the budgets, that means the price to the from the minimum to the maximum, and you can just click on apply to activate the filter. And for the delivery time, you have these 4 choices here: express 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And also these services here. To activate one from them, you can just click on this place over here. Now let's try to take a quick look for this results here. And let's suppose that you like this one here and you want to keep it to see it later. You can just click on this heart here to save it to the list to find it later in the lists over here. Now let me show you how to try to buy a gig and the different information that you need to give them. So to buy a gig, this is the information that you need to know. The first thing is the seller, the sentence that he presents his gig for you, how many stars he gets, how many person buy the gig, and the price from what. Okay, and later I will tell you why the price is from and not specifically that price. Let's click to the gig, and the level will be just here. And this is here the information that you need to read about the gig, and also the information about the seller, that mean the country, the language that he talk, and from when he is a member on Fiverr. And also the last delivery you will find it here. It was about 2 hours. And also you have some overview from another person that they can recommend you with this gig or not. You can just take advices and all of that. Like example, this one here is said that the seller was a good person, but the quality of the final results wasn't as unexpected. I found better results on the internet, disappointed after buying more than $100. Okay, that means they can just tell you about the final result to see if you want to buy or not. So now you need to choose a plan to complete buying the gig. You have three plans here. The cheapest one is the basic one. The expensive one is the premium. Now the basic one is for $5. You have to image jewelry retouching, and enhancements with amazing quality. You have 2 days delivery, 2 images, include source file and printable resolution file. The standard one is with $15. You have 5 image jewelry retouching, high-end jewelry retouching, and enhancements with amazing quality. You have 2 days delivery and an animated revision. You have 5 images, include source file, printable resolution file, and commercial use. The premium one is with $50. You have 10 image jewelry retouching, high-end jewelry retouching, and enhancements with amazing quality, 3 days delivery and animated revision, and 10 images, include source file, printable resolution file, and commercial use. After you choose the plan that you want to buy the gig with it, you can just request the order from here. So you can just request your order from here. You can ask the seller a question or share your project details to give it him details that you want to take the project from it. You can just write your message over here and send it very easily, like you will contact him. Okay, so like I see before over here, freelancers on Fiverr provide background removal services at various price points. You can choose from different pricing package based on the complexity and quantity of images you need to be edited. And also the Fiverr provide a platform for easy communication and collaboration with your chosen designer. You can discuss your project details, provide specific instructions, and ensure that the designer understands your vision. And like I said before, the reviews and rating is really gonna help you, because if you have a review and rating system allows clients to provide feedback and the service they receive before hiring a background removal specialist. It's helpful to review the rating and read client review to gauge their expertise and professionalism. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you get like it, and if you understand, please follow me and subscribe to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.